What's up, everybody? It's JA. For today's video, we are checking out the Yeezy Slide in the Bone colorway. This pair is scheduled to drop Monday, July 25th in full family sizes. So of course, adult pairs start at $70. Now, at the time of this recording, you should have already entered for the online raffle, which is currently live via the Adidas Confirmed app. There's gonna be a good amount of pairs of these available, but because they are so popular, the demand is super high. It's gonna make this release feel a lot more limited than it actually is. So for today's video, we're gonna break it down into 3 different categories. Of course, first, we're gonna talk about the color. Everyone's curious about the exact shade. Then, of course, we're gonna talk about sizing and comfort. And then for the final portion, I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on the Yeezy Slide. So in terms of the colorway, the Yeezy Slide Bone is a very whitish cream tone. It's the lightest color of the Yeezy Slide currently available. And some people would draw comparisons to the previously released Yeezy Slide Pure, which is very warranted as they almost look like the same shade. But upon closer inspection, you will notice that the Pure pair is just a little slightly darker of a shade. So if I had to pick between the two, you know, I can't be that picky, but if I had to only choose one, I would go with the Bone, as I like the slightly lighter shade. Now, in terms of the sizing, the Yeezy Slide, it's super comfortable in terms of sizing. This is an updated mold. So this is the 2022 re-release. Compared to the previous versions, I would say that the new updated sizing fits just slightly bigger, but not big enough to really make a huge difference. So I would still go with the same size that you guys copped for the previous Yeezy Slide releases. If you haven't picked up Yeezy Slides before, they run small, so I would always suggest to size up. So if you fit in between sizes, it's a no-brainer to round up to the nearest whole size. But even if your true to size is a whole size, I would still suggest to round up to the nearest whole size, especially if you plan on wearing these with thick socks. So the Yeezy Slide Bone is one of the original colorways that released for the first ever Yeezy Slide release. Of course, it's the 2022 updated version. They're gonna be releasing alongside a restock of the Yeezy Slide Onyx, which is that black pair. If you guys still haven't copped those, it's gonna be the 3rd release for those. And then exclusively for YeezySupply.com, they got a restock of the green glow pair. So real quick, guys, we gotta pay some bills. We'll be right back. Salute to Addict for sponsoring today's video. So with Yeezy Day approaching, I'm sure all of you would like to cop as many pairs of your favorite Yeezys as possible. Well, Addict is one of the best ways to cop the most hyped sneakers from some of the top retailers. Don't take my word for it. Check out the screenshots here on screen. Tons of users are having success using Addict. Addict will be restocking some copies coming up July 31st. So go ahead and visit addict.io or click the link in the description down below. Copies will sell out quick, so make sure you follow them on all socials to stay up to date. So you guys already know I'm a huge fan of the Yeezy Slide. For me personally, growing up, I always was rocking a pair of slides, and I love the fact that the Yeezy Slide just takes that look and kind of elevates it. So I'm a huge fan of the minimalistic design, and I love the fact that Kanye is simplifying design language. So these joints are absolutely dope. In terms of the design technology, the Yeezy Slide, you know, is an EVA injected foam mold. So it was the first time I ever heard of that design and manufacturing process. But of course, some of you may or may not know that this is the same process behind the Croc. So it's really and truly become mainstream now, and it's definitely the future of footwear. All it really takes is a 3D render. From that, they can create a mold, and from the mold, they can inject it with the foam, and there you have your footwear. So it's kind of that simple of a design process. So one of y'all watching this video today could be the next future inventor, the next big creator, because it seems like EVA foam is definitely the wave, and it's definitely the future of footwear. So let me know your thoughts on the upcoming Yeezy Slide Bone. Are you guys looking to pick these up? Do you already have a plethora of Yeezy Slide colorways, so you don't really need these? Or are you guys checking more for the restock of the Onyx? Drop all of your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, support the channel by dropping a thumbs up. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.